Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2014 Chevy Cruze LT with the RS package, stock number B9632A. Only 26,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Blu-ray metallic in color. Do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle as well. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seats 5, cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo opens. Backup camera for additional safety. Nice size trunk. The wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And not only low miles, but very clean. No dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Gauges, again, only 26,000 miles with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora and Stitcher radio apps. And that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio and CD player, heating and air conditioning. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices. And a spacious glove box. And auto dimming mirror. Under the hood, this Cruze has a 1.4 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 138 horsepower. This engine gives you the best of both worlds. Power when you need it with a turbo. Otherwise, excellent fuel economy. EPA average of 26 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 38 on the highway, and approximately 30% of tire tread left. For more information on this Cruze, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.